Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We all want to learn something new and interesting every day. So let's learn in a very happy and easy way through arts and crafts. Can anyone tell me what this bird is? Yes, it's a hummingbird. And do you know the fun facts about a hummingbird? Yes, hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly both forwards and backwards. They can hover in the mid-air or fly sideways or upwards and downwards. Isn't it so interesting? Do mention in my comments if you've ever seen a real hummingbird in your garden. Now coming to the art that you can see, I've used a piece of cotton cloth. I've painted the hummingbird and the flowers using Fabricryl acrylic paints. Outlined the hummingbird and the flowers with Fabricryl 3D outliner. And for embellishment, I'll simply use some pieces of pearls. That's it. Please stay with me and wait for the last episode where I will show you the entire end product. Okay? Till then, bye. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and support my channel.